Alright, since it's 114 degrees outside with the heat index and the shops are just aluminum buildings, I am not outside making dummy rounds for my 12 gauge. So kids have been asking to get their aquarium going again and figured might as well spend today doing that instead. So I'm just going to share along what I'm doing. So our fish died off, the aquarium filter died. So I really haven't done much with our aquarium here lately. But they've been wanting to get fish again, so figured I'd take the time, I'd drain out the water, clean it up real good, let it go for a few days, and then we'll get some more fish once we get the aquarium resettled. That is some ugly sludge. Alright, so that's a horrible idea. Alright, so we got some new stuff here, and I think I'm going to run all of my tubing over to this side. So that's anything to stick it. Big rock and this. Hey, hey, hey! All right. For now, let's set this up the easy way so I can round everything. Alright, if I trip and fall, that's because Otis is right behind my feet and I can't move far because he's special. We need probably a little bit of water just to get those sealed. So let me go get a little bowl. Alright, I'm definitely too short for this. Just a quick top-down view. One air stone here, the wall over here, filter over here. Alright, gonna start covering it up a little bit. And we still gotta wash decorations. I think this one's had today. So our first round with an aquarium, we had tiger barbs and angelfish. Probably not the best two combinations because tiger barbs apparently are quite aggressive. But that's what everybody wanted, and that's what we had. And they look to eat the softer plants too. I tried real plants and I wasn't very good at that. Definitely don't have a green thumb. But these fake plants I seem to keep alive. So the unicorn actually had a horn before the tiger barbs got to it. No, it's hard to believe a 5-year-old girl would be all about her unicorns. But she is. And then she had to get a turtle for her brother. And unicorn yet again. Unicorn donut cat. She loves animals, she loves donuts, she loves unicorns. This is perfect. On the side. Break out the rock. One right here. This has been a handy little gadget. It's got a magnet in it. One side stays in the, one side goes in the aquarium. One side is on the outside, and you use it to move around, clean out the sides of the aquarium. Alright, now to put some decorations in. I like these long leafy guys to go in the back to hide my tubing. Let's get the last bucket. We'll put that filter together. I think I'm going to build this front corner up just a little bit.
gonna hook up some air to it. See if we can't get some stuff running. So that looks before we get completely full of water. All right, it's all cleaned up, ready for the kids to get some new fish.